رمضان كريم 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 شهر عظيم 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 رمضان كريم كريم كريم
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن صدق الله العظيم. Respected correspondent sir, our distinguished guests, my beloved teachers and my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my talk is Ramadan. The beautiful month of the Ramadan has come upon us, and for many of us, my brothers, wallahi, it's unfortunate that we don't know the value of the month. For many of us, the month of the Ramadan has become a season. It's a month, one of the months of the year. But wallahi, my brothers, the truth about this month is a gift. It's a ni'mat, it's a blessing. It's the month of ibadat, it's the month of worship. This is the month that your heart and your soul has been crying for all the year round. This is the month, my brothers and sisters, when I take an oath by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you give this month, it's due rights. If you give this month, it's haq. If you work hard in this month, you will go from zero to hero, I promise you. If you give this month its due rights, you will reach the state of awliya, I promise you. This is the month, my brothers and sisters, the doors of Jannah are open and the doors of hellfire are closed. It's the month of mercy. It's the month of forgiveness. So I do not want you to waste this month. This is the month, my brothers and sisters, I am telling you, Allah gives. Every night Allah Azza wa Jal, every night Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala looks down upon the ummah and He handpicks the one He wants and says, you will be saved from the hellfire. Hellfire has been made haram on you. This is the month for those my brothers who want to work. This is it. I want you to imagine like this, this is the best analogy I come up with. I want you to imagine a local bank here. Whichever bank it may be, called you up and said, you know what, come here man. And they took you downstairs where the big vault is there. And they said, today we are going to open up our vaults today. Khalas, you have been chosen to open up our vaults today. Walk in and take whatever you want, whatever you please, as much as you can possibly take. You have got 2 hours, do whatever you want. I can see some of the boys who are ready to do one of these ones. 2 hours? Bro, I only need half an hour. But I want to imagine the bank says, look, you have got 2 hours, do whatever you want. So my dear brothers and sisters, honestly, in those 2 hours, are you gonna rack up in a car? Or are you gonna rack up in a semi-trailers? Honestly, in those 2 hours, when you are in the vault, are you going to answer any phone calls? Honestly, are you? You're gonna be texting and WhatsApping and seeing what's happening on the Facebook? Honestly, are you? Do you have time for your friend? Do you have time for half an hour nap here? Why is this for 2 hours of dunya? You know already, everyone in the room understands perfectly that in those 2 hours, no one talked to me and I'm not gonna talk to anyone. Don't text me because I won't be texting you. With dunya, we understand the value. What about when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the doors of Jannah are open and He's telling you the doors of hellfire are closed? Where will you be spending your time? Where will you be spending your time? This month is very, very, very special. Make an effort. Do not waste this month. A few years ago, my brothers, there was a brother in Villawood. The night before Ramadan, I'm not telling you 2-3 nights or a week. The night before Ramadan, he had a car accident. It was him, his cousin, and a girl in the car. The night before Ramadan, Allah Azza wa Jal took his life. Ramadan came so close, but he was so far. So I do not want to waste you this month. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.